Hi, I'm Ken at Computer Rehab. One day you switch on your PC and rather than it loading Windows, it displays something called the BitLocker recovery screen. If you're not familiar with this, then this video is designed for you. So, what is device encryption? So your hard drive in your PC or your laptop, where all of your files, Windows and everything is stored, is encrypted. So in other words, it's locked so that only your PC has access to that information. Now that sounds great. The issue is it can happen where your machine may for some reason ask you for the key. So it's like having a suitcase with a big padlock on it. You've got the key for it when you type in your password. It unlocks the key, it unlocks the case all in the background without your knowledge, and it all works. That's great until it doesn't work. So say the battery went flat on your PC or your laptop for a long time, it may ask you for the code when you restart it. I've had that on a few occasions. If you change the memory in your machine for whatever reason, chances are it may well again ask you for that key, and you will have been supposedly prompted to print it out when you set your machine up when you bought it, although I often find that doesn't seem to be the case. So without that key you can't unlock that drive, which under normal circumstances it's fine, it's not a problem, it just works. But if you came to me one day and said, I've got a problem with my laptop and it wouldn't start up and you needed to get the information off, I could take that drive out and plug it into one of my PCs, but I can't get the data off without that key. That is my main problem with device encryption, and most people are completely unaware that it exists. Right, how do you know if device encryption is switched on your PC? The easiest way is to go down to the File Explorer icon, bottom of the screen, click it, up pops your drives, this PC on the left, and there's C Windows, which is what you'll find on most machines, and there's a little padlock which indicates that encryption is enabled. The other way to find out is if you go down to search and put device, click device encryption, and it's switched on. You now know if device encryption or BitLocker is enabled on your PC, and if it is, the next step is to ensure that you have a copy of the key to unlock it, and I'll cover that in my next tutorial.